case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a landmark divorce case of the 1978, the Supreme Court of New Mexico took a hammer to antiquated patriarchal norms with its ruling. The court settled a tense tussle about the division of property between Dorothy Lindbergh Hughes, Mrs. Hughes, and James Lindbergh Hughes, Colonel Hughes. Riding high on the rise of feminism and the women's rights movement, the court's judgment led to a step change in community property law. Colonel Hughes, who had amassed considerable assets during their time in Iowa, believed these assets to be his own. However, Mrs. Hughes disagreed, leading to a lawsuit over the division of the property acquired through Colonel Hughes' wages. The court ruled that just like the husband, the wife too had equal rights to the property, essentially tossing the belief that a wife has no stake in her husband's property through the window. Before them lay the formidable task of establishing the extent of Colonel Hughes's separate property that could be awarded to Mrs. Hughes. In an unforeseen decision, the court chose to partially uphold and reverse the case. It remanded the case back to the district court for a review of the wife's property rights. The original awarding of alimony and attorney's fees to Mrs. Hughes was reversed, as the court decided that this should only be determined once the property division was settled. The groundbreaking decision was not just about who got the home or the money, but was a significant stepping stone for women's rights.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.